Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to be making a flagpole here at Kelton Manufacturing Corporation. Last weekend was Memorial Day weekend. If you'd seen my post, we had visited a site out here in Palmdale. City of Palmdale put on this beautiful display. Called it the Field of Honor Flags. Let me flip the camera around. I had purchased a flag for my grandpa. He fought during World War II. He did not die in battle, but he fought on the USS Anthony Destroyer as a second-class seaman quartermaster. Alonzo Chester Crampton. He was not a Kelton, but his brother was Kelton. And he really stood for true American grit. So I wanted to honor him in that. I think what I'll do is just buy a frame for this one here and hang it up. In the meantime, I bought another flag. Some embroidered stars. And we're going to be making our own flagpole here at Kelton Manufacturing in the Winnell Industrial Park. Okay, so we have some carabiners welded to the edges. Now we'll